In this video, we will learn how we can work around the statistical operations on NumPy arrays. We will also see some examples. So the statistical operations mainly include mean, median and standard deviation, and we will work around all three of them. Mean is the average of the given values. Median is the middle value of the given values. And standard deviation is basically a measure of the amount of variation or dispersion of the given values. In this case, the given values are array elements. Okay, NumPy array elements. Let us begin with the first operation, mean. So mean is the average of the given values. If you have 5 elements, the mean would be the average of those 5 elements. Okay, so in this case, these elements are array elements, and we'll be using the mean method to perform the mean statistical operation on a NumPy array. Let's see. So here we have created a project on PyCharm. So let us create our first file. Right click, new, Python file. Give the name demo1, press enter, and on pressing enter it will add an extension .py since Python file is by default selected. Here it is, our first example. Let us create 2 more files for our other examples. Let us find the mean. At first we will import NumPy library and create an alias also. Now let us create 2 arrays so that we can show 2 examples. N1 is equal to numpy.array, that is np.array. Within that add elements. Let's say we added 4 elements, and create a second array, numpy.array. Do the same for both of them, that is add 4 elements here also, or you can add any number of elements. Now let us print the array using the print command. Print the second array also. Now let us find the mean. For that I'll take we are taking res mean1 variable. Within that use numpy.mean method and add the array for which you want to find the mean. Okay, do the same for the second also. Here I'll change the name of the variable n2. That's it. Now print the mean values. Array1 mean. Okay, and array2 mean. That's it. File, save all, right click and run demo1. Here it is. So what I can do, I can remove this. That's it. Right click, run demo1. Now this looks fine. So the average of the first array is 22.5, whereas for the second array it's the following array is it's 80. So this is how we can find the mean, that is the average. So we found the mean of the given values, that is the average of the given values, using the mean method in NumPy. Now we will find the median of the array values, that is median is used to find the middle value of the given values using the median method. Let's see an example. Here it is. Let us see an example. Import NumPy as np. Now let us create 2 arrays. We can take from here and print them. We are showing 2 examples here using 2 arrays, n1 and n2. Both are having 4 elements. You can add any number of elements. We have printed both the arrays. Now I'll find the median. Let us take a variable. Okay, this is where we will display the output. Use numpy.median method, that's it, and add the array. Similarly do for the second array 2, and we created a new one. We found the median of the second array also by passing it as a parameter for the median method. Now print the result. Array 1 median. Okay, and array 2 median. That's it, we printed both of them. Now go to file, save all, right click and run demo 2. Here it is, both the arrays and the median. So this is how we found the median of the array elements, that is the middle value of the given values. Okay, that is the middle value of the given values, 22.5, and 80 is the middle value for the second array, and the same is visible. In this way guys, we can easily find the middle value using the median method in NumPy. Now let us work around standard deviation. Standard deviation is basically a measure of the amount of variation of the given values, that is the given array values. We can find the standard deviation using the std method. Let's see an example. Here we'll find the standard deviation. Import NumPy as np. Create two arrays and we will try to find the standard deviation. Let me take it from here. Okay, we have two arrays now with 4 elements each, and we printed both of them. Now we need to find the standard deviation. This is where our output will get saved. Use numpy.std, that is standard deviation for the first array. And do the same for the second array. That's it. Print both the outputs. Okay. Array 1 standard deviation. Okay, and the same for second one. That's it. We found the standard deviation. Go to file, save all, right click and run demo 3. Here it is. So these were our arrays. This is the standard deviation of both the arrays, that is array values. So this is how we can find the standard deviation using the std method. In this video we saw how we can work around the statistical operations on a NumPy array. We found the mean, median as well as standard deviation.